Okay, YouTube, what's up? Slick here in the Slickhead Garages, doing the top end job on my brother's 2006 Roger Bourget Dragon Chopper 113 S&S motor, top end rebuild. But before I get into all that, I just wanted to go over a few things. As I said before, this isn't a how-to tutorial step-by-step channel. I never set out or intended to be that because I'm not an expert. I learn every day. I learn just like you guys. Like I said, get a manual, learn to read, you can fix anything out there. So, what you're about to see is just clips of assembling the engine. It's tough to film and work. So, you know, I just need to work. I can't film the whole time. So you'll just see clips. What I did is I called my buddy Ski over to help me. He's my partner in motor crimes. It's good to have two or three, three or four hands when you're putting together engines. So, without further ado, here it is. Bring it up and down real quick. Cool dirty air ride suspension we installed last year. We're back with the S&S 113-inch motor. I got the new base gaskets down in place. Put the rear piston back on, the connecting rod. And then the new rings, you have to set them in the cylinder, use an old piston, push them down, and check the ring gaps, like that. This isn't a how-to channel, so I'm not going in depth. You gotta get yourself a manual. It'll tell you how to do it. So, learn to read, and you can fix anything. Okay, what we didn't film is clocking the piston rings where they're supposed to be, and using the piston ring compressor tool to squeeze them tightly to drop the cylinders down over the piston and the rings. Now it's time for the heads. All right, the next move is taking your head bolts, getting a little bit of oil on the threads as per the manufacturer to torque down the heads to their specific torque. All right, now we're torquing down the cylinder heads as per the manual in this sequence, with that sequence of torquing. This is the first round. This is 8 pounds. We're going to have to switch up.
Switch sockets there.
Just get a smaller socket. But you get the point. We're torquing down the heads. On to the next. Oh, I never made a video, but me and Ski relapped these valves. We put new oil seals in. We relapped the valves with the valve grinding compound and new seals. So I never made that video, but you get the point. Okay, let me show you what we got done. All right, got the lower rocker box bases all torqued down. The compression releases in each cylinder head all torqued down. Rocker arm assemblies push rods on the O-rings and everything. Everything's lubed up with assembly lube. Put the intake on, still got to put the carburetor on, but going to spin the motor over right now by hand and check the rocker arm rockers to see if there's any binding, any issues like that. So here we go. If my assistant ski would turn the motor. Here we go. Why are you going backwards anyway?
Go wherever the fucking way I want.
Alright kids, that's it. Now we're going to put the carburetor on, put the covers on, throw the exhaust on, and we'll make another video of starting it up and riding it in part 2 of this series. Alright guys, talk to you later.